Darn, oh, this is nervous. I'm nervous.
Blow up.
Oh, we got a fuel leak.
Oh yeah, you're. Oh
yeah, no, there's a massive.
That's huge.
So, I put the E38 ECU, put the nasty wiring harness on, and got most of it wired up. I have it grounded randomly, just but it is all hooked up. That's the tail harness. I got grounds from running from the block to that. I don't have the plugs on and anything, but I have a battery connected right there. But earlier, I did get this to light up, but you can see the mess that's in here. And sadly, I'm not going to be able to run this. This just doesn't have enough space in here to put all this nonsense. And there's still more dangling down here. And it's just, this computer, this BCM here just needs too much stuff. It's unnecessary. And it won't even start. So I had this lit up, and for some reason, don't know what changed. But oh, I think it moved. I seen it move. There's power going to it, but what happened? I don't know. There's power to it, now it stopped working. So I guess it is what it is. So I ordered a standalone harness from Speartech in about 2 months. I'll be here. I took out the transmission. Well, I closed it up already, but the computer's out of there. So I have to go send that to them because I need a new ECU because this one doesn't like to communicate. My Speartech wiring harness came in. It's a lot smaller than the old one. I had to get this new computer, which is a E38 ECU. That's my 6L90 transmission computer. So I'm going to just go get the transmission computer installed, and then maybe tomorrow wire it up and give it a little whirl. The valve body off. Now I just got to make sure things are clean. So this computer was synced up to my, what do you call it, my ECU. Alright, cool. I guess. Dang, I really wish I was paying attention when I took this thing apart. I'm just letting you know. I honestly don't even remember how this went. Oh no, something came off. That's not good. What's that? A little plug. anything. Oh. Oh. Hey, hey. Well, I guess that worked.
Little persuasion.
Oh, jeez, that was a little bit more effort than I wanted it to do. But, jeez, I got in there. Alright, so that's locked in there. So let me...
Yeah, especially when it comes to plastic parts.
Plastic and metal mixing together, I'm not a fan. Oh, jeez, it wasn't even straight. Marketing, but I'm a fan of saving money. At the auto parts store, this thing costs $27, but at Walmart, it's 17 bucks. That's a $10 difference. I needed to buy 3. I saved 30 bucks not buying it from the auto parts store. Alright, so this is the last spark plug. The reason I took all 8 out because this motor has 267,000 miles on it. I have another build going on, which has an LS7 in it. It had 45,000 miles on it, so I'm going to take those spark plugs from my LS7 and put them in here. They have different part numbers, but I don't care. So these are going in there, kind of just clean them with a wire brush. Fan relay don't care, AC don't care, tach don't care, speed sensor, fan relay, primary don't care. All I care about this, what is this? This is brake switch, don't care. That all goes here. So now this goes to, I need to get a key. Alright, so now I should have everything practically set up. I have my power, which is black. And I don't know how this works, but should seal. Whatever, it's close enough. So that's on the starter. I have all the spark plugs taken off. There's no fuel going to it. The O2 sensors are still not put in, which I'm not worried about right now. So what I got left to do is just put ground to the block, and in theory it should work because I got the starter here, I got battery power here. This is ignition. It says ignition switch. So put ground to the block, make sure this is off, that's on accessory. Alright, so that goes there. Ground the block. We'll just use black. Black. On transmission. Alright, now in theory, should turn this key, should click. Whoa! Don't know what happened. Oh, look at that. Get the oil cranking through. Oh, the oil cranking through. And that's it. So now I should have oil. Should have ran through the motor. So I'm going to put the plugs back in. And then I'm going to put the ignition coils on. And hopefully it fires up.
Even in the car, because that's fuel injection. Right? Had to have a sump.
You want to bring this back to your house?
Sure. Thank you. I didn't realize it was streaming.
Fuel pump should turn on. I don't have the thing grounded all the way. Hold up. Oh, this should be here. This can go here. Fuel pump should turn on. Doesn't sound like a hum.
I don't hear nothing.
Should hear a whine. Am I missing something? Maybe the fuel pump ground? I actually have to tighten it. Alright, round two. Oh, that's why. No, that should work. Black is going there, the red goes there. Should work. Turn the key. Is that the fuel pump? Can you go on that side?
What do you think? Quite a bit of mud fell off from this? Still?
Is that wine the fuel pump?
Can't you just feel it?
Is it?
I hear humming in the tank.
Well,
Sounds about right, yeah. Oh, yeah.
alright, well shoot. I guess let's try to start. Oh, this is nervous. I'm nervous.
Blow up.
Oh, we got a fuel leak.
Oh, yeah, you're. Oh,
Oh
yeah,
no, there's a massive.
That's huge.
Alright, round two. Round two. Key. Fuel pump. Turn.
Not leaking.
Uh-oh. Oh,
You shot stuff out your stack.
did I? Something's wrong. I'm gonna check spark. Try it again. Key. Oh, she won't start. Fan reel, ignition. Everything's in there. There's no other grounds. I wonder if I absolutely have to have O2s in there, which I shouldn't have to. Dang it, am I gonna have to put O2s in here? That would kind of suck. Come on. Why won't you start? I wonder if it needs a shot of some spray. Woo! Wow. It works! Oh my gosh, a lot of exhaust fumes I'm gonna have to fix.
Shot a flame out the driver's side.
Did
You
it?
shoot a flame out?
Yeah, we don't.
Oh!
It sounds really quiet.
That's 4 mufflers. Uh-oh, she don't want to start anymore. Ready? Yeah, it's idling.
Oh, this isn't very loud.
Is that one working?
Yeah. Here, when you romp on it. What's that sound?
It's stalling.
Yeah, your fuel cell. You want to spray?
Yeah, go ahead, spray it.
Yeah, something's wrong with your fuel, bro.
I think it's the fuel so old.
Oh, how old is it?
Like over a year. It's over a year.
The one in the bottle.
Just try it. Go for it.
Oh, that popped.